This is the story of 2026 JH2 and what it reveals about how unprepared we actually are. On May 10th, 2026, astronomers at the Mount Lemmon Survey in Tucson, Arizona, spotted something faint moving through the sky. So faint, it was almost invisible. They flagged it. Other observatories confirmed it within 2 days. What they found was an asteroid, codenamed CELU-1Q2, now officially designated 2026 JH2, on a trajectory that would bring it closer to Earth than most people are comfortable thinking about. The closest pass happened today, May 18th, at 21:23 UTC. Distance from Earth, approximately 91,000 kilometers. To put that in perspective, the moon sits roughly 384,000 kilometers away. This asteroid passed at just 1/4 of that distance, closer than certain NASA satellites currently orbiting our planet. At 20,000 miles per hour, moving silently through space, 2026 JH2 came and went without anyone feeling a thing. But the fact that it came at all, with only 8 days' notice, is the story worth telling. Scientists are now comparing this asteroid to an event in 2013 that injured 1,500 people, shattered thousands of windows, and sent a shockwave around the globe twice from a rock less than half this size. Stay with me. 2026 JH2 is estimated to be between 15 and 35 meters across, roughly 1 to 2 school buses in diameter. That sounds small. It is not. In 2013, an 18-meter rock exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia, without warning. The blast was 30 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb. The shockwave circled the globe twice. People standing 28 miles below the explosion suffered burns and retinal damage. Over 1,500 people were injured. More than 3,600 homes were damaged. Only a fraction of the original rock ever reached the ground, and it still caused all of that destruction. 2026 JH2 is larger. Senior astronomer Dr. Mark Norris described it as, quote, the kind of thing that would ruin a city quite efficiently if it hit. It did not hit, but the conversation that follows its flyby is more important than the flyby itself. If this is making you think differently about what is happening above us right now, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a video like this one. Share this with someone who needs to see it. We are only halfway through, and what comes next about planetary defense will genuinely surprise you. NASA's Planetary Defense Officer, Kelly Fast, has confirmed that roughly 25,000 asteroids measuring more than 140 meters in diameter orbit near Earth, and the agency has only located about 40% of them. Let that settle for a moment. 60% of the large asteroids near our planet are currently untracked. Beyond that, there are an estimated 15,000 mid-sized city-killer asteroids that have not been detected yet. Any one of them could cause catastrophic regional damage with zero warning. The reason objects like 2026 JH2 are so difficult to detect is straightforward. Dark asteroids, only a few dozen meters wide, reflect very little sunlight. They are essentially invisible until they are relatively close. Our current detection systems are optimized for the larger civilization-ending rocks that are easier to spot from a distance. The smaller city-sized threats slip through far more easily. MIT professor Richard Binzel, inventor of the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, put it plainly, we are only recently developing surveys sensitive enough to see objects like this at all. Before these systems existed, 2026 JH2 would have passed completely unnoticed. 8 days of warning is not enough time to do anything. It is barely enough time to tell people. In 2022, NASA launched the DART spacecraft, the first real-world test of planetary defense technology. It intentionally collided with an asteroid moonlet called Dimorphos at